Now, have you ever been in a situation where you accidentally deleted your favorite photos? Or for those iPhone people who had run out of phone storage at the worst possible moment? Yeah, me too, I've done that. It's a nightmare, right? Well, today I've got something that is going to change all that. So say hello to QB Power, a 2-in-1 Apple MFi certified charger that not only charges your devices but also backs it up. Now picture this. You're on a vacation capturing stunning memories when suddenly, bam, storage full notification. Or worse, you drop your phone and poof, there goes all your precious photos. Sounds familiar? These tech nightmares can be incredibly frustrating and heartbreaking, and it happens to all of us. But fear not, the QB Power is here to save the day. This little powerhouse not only charges your devices with lightning speed, but also backs up your data automatically while you charge. Setting it up is a breeze as well. Just insert the micro SD card, connect the QB Power to your device with a charging cable, download the QB Pro app, and plug it into the power outlet. Follow the app's step-by-step instructions and you're good to go. Every time you plug in your device to charge with QB Power, it automatically backs up. So here it is. We're just going to show you a quick setup of the QB Power. So here's the QB Power right here. We plugged it in on the wall. We have the micro SD card on there. As you could see, 256 gigs there. Let's put it back. USB-C cable slot right there. This is also a braided cable. Super nice cable as well. There you go. Plug that into your phone, but I'll show you guys how it works. There we go. You plugged it in. It is charging it up there. And then it'll give you a notification up there. That backup and camera roll. There you go. As you can see there, it automatically backs up your device. There are a few things that they added here. They have browse photos where you're gonna see your full backup right there. You can also change it up there by year, by month, by day. You can also change how it is set up, I believe, right here. There you go. Videos and by file, I guess. There's begin backup right there. And then the restore button. So if you ever lose your phone and you got a new phone, for example, you can use the restore button to restore everything back to your phone, as you could see there. You can also back up iCloud contents, as you could see there. For those of you who wants to lock the app, you can do that as well. First up, let's talk backup. QB Power is cross-platform compatible. Whether you're using iOS or your team Android, this gadget's got your back. It supports automatic backup for both phones and tablets. But here's the kicker. It actually backs it up on a micro SD card, like so, supporting up to a whopping 2 terabytes. So you can keep expanding your storage just by swapping cards. Plus, it has a duplicate detection, meaning it only saves new photos, so you won't have to deal with duplicates. What if you have more than one device? No problem. QB Power recognizes different devices and creates separate folders for each one. It's like having your own personal IT department in a tiny box.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now let's talk security. The QB Pro app lets you lock your micro SD cards with a password. So your data is safe from prying eyes and also maybe your brother. You can track your micro SD card's quality and storage on the app too. Super handy, right? The app is also user friendly, organizing your photos in chronological order. You can view them by day, month, or year. It's actually perfect for those of us who like things neat and tidy. But of course, there's more. This isn't just a backup device, it's also a beast of a charger with the fast charging up to 45 watts. It can handle phones, tablets, laptops, and Apple Watches, Bluetooth headphones, and even your Nintendo Switch. Talk about versatility, right? Even that powerful silicon MacBook that you have, kind of like mine with the M1 Max, it'll be able to charge it. It can also be used as an external storage for computers like PC or Mac. It can also support fast data transfer if you want to transfer from your phone or tablet to your Mac or PC with USB 3.1. It's great when I'm handling 4K videos from my phone and I want to transfer it to my computer right away. And for those of you who loves to travel, QB Power works with global voltages from 100 to 240 volts, making it the perfect travel companion. Plus, it's got a multi-loop protection against overcurrent, over voltage, over temperature, and short circuit. Safe charging every time. QB Power also comes with a 2-year warranty, which you can extend up to 10 years by registering via the app. And it's packed with certifications. It is an Apple MFi program. It's programmed to have apples made for iPhone, PSE, FC, BSMI, ensuring top-notch quality. So there you have it. The QB Power is the ultimate two-in-one gadget that solves your charging and backup without effort. Don't wait till you've lost precious memories or maybe run out of storage. Grab your QB Power today and let it take care of your devices. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon as well so you can stay up to date with the latest in tech. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever lost important data and how did you recover it? And I'll see you guys and I'll try to answer you guys down there. Until next time, stay charged and backed up with QB Power. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.